showbiz.
Okay.
Meron ka pa bang gustong ma-achieve o in terms of your singing career? At doon ba sa 20 years na journey mo bilang isang singer, yung ba'y talagang lahat naging masaya ka? O meron ding depression, meron kang hindi na disappointment? Ganun.
Well, sa 20 years na yon, hindi naman maiwasan yung mga disappointments and frustrations.
Correct.
But then, for me, siguro sa edad ko din ngayon, I've learned how to deal with it na kumbaga, it's a matter of how you look at things. Kung titignan mo siya sa lahat ng negative na aspeto, syempre, madidepress ka, malulungkot ka. But then, if you look at it on a positive note na parang nangyari to kasi mali yung ginawa ko. Nangyari to kasi hindi pa oras, di ba? I will do better in the next projects or whatever opportunities na ibigay sa akin in the future. So, up and down, may positive, may negative naman mga nangyari in those 20 years. But bottom line, I've learned a lot. I've grown so much, hindi lang physically. Yun. Pero yung pinaka-dream ko, madami pa eh. I think this is still a long, ongoing journey for me. Nag-e-enjoy talaga ako sa showbiz, sa pagkanta. I feel like the stage is my home. Pag nasa stage ako, may switch talaga akong umiiba akong tao. I'm really a performer when I'm on stage. But siguro yung gusto ko pang gawin is to work and collaborate with other artists. Malaking artist yan o bagong artist na to work as a somebody who can yung may ilabas ko pa yung kaya nilang gawin, probably as a director of a concert or a writer of a concert. Basta mag-collaborate kasi minsan nadidiscover ko din na may mga kakayahan ako na lumalabas pag nagko-collaborate ako sa ibang tao.